Hey, bookkeepers, it's Trudi from Maven. When was the last time you said yes and regretted it, but you just didn't know how to say no? You just said yes and then almost immediately thought, what the F did I just commit to? What am I now obliged to do? It doesn't even have to be work related. Sometimes the weight of social obligations can be just as suffocating, but work yeses can be some of the worst yeses because we do fear that our credibility lies in saying yes all the time. But maybe your credibility suffers less when you say no. Hear me out, because this conundrum happens to all of us. And then one day we seem to age out of it. Around age 50, suddenly realizing that our time is finite drives us to this liberating realization that no is okay. It's actually a full sentence and that it should be used more often, not less. Like any skill, it takes practice, and saying no is a skill. So the earlier you master it, the stronger your business and your confidence will be. Saying no is about boundaries. Boundaries protect your time, your energy, and your credibility. Without them, you'll stay stuck in chaos. With them, you'll build respect. Let's talk about the reasons why saying no is essential and the ways you can practice saying it politely without backing down. The 4 big reasons. Time is finite. Every yes you give means no to something else, often something more important. Take on a low-ticket client. How will you say yes to a high-ticket client? 2, boundaries define respect. People treat you the way you allow them to treat you. Let them walk all over you, and they will. It's human nature. That's a guarantee. 3, focus drives results. No keeps you aligned with your priorities instead of someone else's agenda, and it's your agency you're working on. Remember, not someone else's. It's your business, so it's your agenda. 4, confidence grows. The more you practice, the less guilt you feel, and the more comfortable you get staying firm. So normalize saying no. Here's something to think about if you're a mom. You know how to say no to your kids. You say it daily for their own well-being. No, you can't have another cookie before bed. No, you can't stay up to midnight. No, you cannot tie your brother to your skateboard and drag him behind your bike. We don't hesitate because we know boundaries are necessary for their growth and safety. But when it comes to clients, we hesitate. Here are 3 reasons why. Fear of loss. We're afraid saying no means we're going to lose the client or the income. That's huge. 2, approval seeking. We want to be liked, so we overextend. 3, role reversal. With kids, you're the authority. With clients, you slide into the pleaser role. The psychology is simple. Saying no to kids feels protective. Saying no to clients feels a little risky. But in reality, it's the same muscle. Boundaries in both cases create structure, trust, and respect. Saying no doesn't have to be harsh. It just has to be clear. Here are 5 really simple approaches. The direct no. I won't be able to take that on. The priorities no. I need to focus on client work this week, so I can't commit to that. The redirect no. That's not something I handle, but I can point you towards someone else who does. I use that one a lot, actually. 4, the future no. My schedule is so full right now. Check back in a month and I'll see if I can help. I actually use that one a lot as well. And 5, the firm no. I don't offer discounts. My rates are fixed because of the value I deliver. That is a firm no. Notice the pattern. Polite, but not apologetic. Boundaries stated without justification are stronger than ones wrapped in excuses. Like any muscle, saying no gets stronger with practice. Here are 4 ways to train yourself. 1, rehearse in front of the mirror. Say the words out loud until they feel natural. 2, role play with a colleague. Have them press you and practice holding firm. 3, start small. Say no to a minor request today and then build up to bigger ones. 4, keep a boundary log. Write down when you said no, how it felt, and the outcome. Over time, you'll see the patterns that reinforce your confidence. Here's your special edition Maven challenge. Understand why saying no matters. Recognize that you already know how. If you can say no to your kids, you can say no to clients. Practice polite but firm ways to deliver it, and train yourself until boundaries are second nature. Do not wait until you're 50 to figure this out. Start right now. Saying no isn't selfish, it's professional. It protects your time, strengthens your credibility, and builds the foundation for real business success. Now, go practice. Say no and mean it.